digits are the parts of a number. Like, look at the number 920. There are 3 parts or digits in this number. The number 920 has 3 digits. Remember, digits are the parts of a number. Pretty simple. Let's look at the number 74. There are 2 parts or digits in the number 74. The number 74 has 2 digits. Remember, digits are the parts of a number. Super simple, super easy. And finally, let's look at the number 6. How many digits are in the number 6? Remember, we're just looking at the parts of the number. How many digits? Yeah, just 1 digit. There's only 1 part or digit to this number. It's just 6. Great job. Remember, digits are the parts of a number.